No.
Deputy, get ready, because I don't know. All I know is, Mr. Caldwell, you were on bond for a felony retaliation, felony aggravated assault of a family member, violation of a protective order with us, an interference, and then you pick up another felony retaliation. And we ordered you to be under 24-hour house arrest. And all I know is that on 2 different occasions, you left the house. What are you looking all confused about?
Judge, can I,
If you left the house or not?
Judge, can I
Yes,
explain
sir.
a little bit of the situation? So,
Fine,
yes, Judge.
please.
So, Judge, he lived with the complainant before these cases in a house he rented, and he, because of the no conduct condition, he moved back in with his mother, who he had been financially contributing to the household. Because of the house arrest, he wasn't able to work, and so he hadn't been contributing financially. His mother became upset with him, and so kicked him out, and then he contacted pretrial to let them know. And then he explained to his mother that if he doesn't go back in, he's gonna possibly go back into custody because of this house arrest. So it was really just sort of an issue with his mother and where he's staying right now, because he had previously been contributing financially and in part taking care of his grandmother. And she was kind of thinking he was just lousing around the house. And then he had to explain the fact that he had this 24-hour house arrest. And he did contact pretrial as soon as it happened.
Rachel,
Judge.
do you see that?
Yes, so he called pretrial on September 21st and explained that whole situation, living with his mother, leaving for something about a car. They advised him that it would be a problem for his ankle monitor, and then because it was after hours, it was just someone at JPC that talked to him and told him to call back during business hours. The next time he called was not until 9:27, and he was stating at that point that he had a problem with his charger, and it seems to be a shortage. They told him to come in. I don't see that he ever came in. And then on 9:30, it's saying that he's losing service. Plan to report to pretrial report. They told him to bring a charger. So basically, it's just a back and forth conversation about bringing a charger, not bringing a charger, and then violations.
Well, Judge, he contacted the emergency after hours number.
Yeah, they have everything written down. There's nothing about mom. All I know is that and so do we have just Rachel one time that he took off from the house?
Yes, it's only that one day now. On 10/3, there was a no cell for 6 hours from 9 to yesterday. There was a no cell return.
What does that mean?
There's no signal going to the device. So what the officer said is basically the device was charged just enough for it not to be charged at battery, but the signal wasn't there for 6 hours. So it wasn't tracked. But he
6
did
hours,
call.
we have no idea where you are.
Oh.
Take off another day.
That's what they was calling about. They were saying, come report the pre-charge because of my charge. And I had told them I had court like the next day, and I'm like, I'm gonna report the pre-charge so when I go to court, and the officer agreed to it. The officer said after court come right to pre-charge.
So the first conversation with about the mother started 9/21, September 21st. He didn't call back again until September 27th, stating that he had a problem with the charger. But then on the 30th, he said that he was gonna come after court, which I'm assuming the court date.
Yeah, I supposed to have court on them first, but
Right, we had court originally on the first judge, and then because of the bond violation report, we set it was set to today.
Why no 6 hours? Why no?
I don't know. They had kept calling me saying that my charger, they bring my charger in because it's saying like no signal. And then I was telling them,
Did you go in?
No, it was like 4 o'clock. She was like, just come right after court. It was like 30 or something, but I had court that Monday. I had court on the first.
And Judge, he was ready to come in court on the first, and
I don't care.
yes, Judge, I just.
All I care about is there's 6 hours that are unaccounted for. We have no idea what he's doing. We have no idea where you're going.
Oh, no, that wasn't my fault. That was the charge.
That is your fault. The device is not working and they told you to come in and you didn't go in.
Oh, no, she told me to come out the court. She told me to come out the court.
Is that right?
One day, they did something, because he told him he had court the next day, but the first day, he told him to come.
But so there's 6 hours unaccounted for and they just told him to come the next day?
No, the 6 hours was yesterday. That was what was unaccounted for. This conversation happened on the 27th and the 30th.
Okay, I'm worried about the 6 hours that are unaccounted for yesterday.
Oh, that's why I was gonna go to pre-trial at the court, because they called me like twice saying my charger was doing that. She said it's only charged, and I did report to her that like when I plug my charger up, it'll like prolong for like 30 seconds. And when I take it off, it'll let me know it's off for 30 seconds. So I did let the lady know I'm like something wrong with it.
How can we account? How can we account where he was during those 6 hours?
We can't. There's no signal to the device, so there is no tracking to it.
She said,
I'm not done with that. You could have been anywhere in the city. I have no idea
oh,
where you
no,
are.
I ain't going nowhere, sir. I ain't going nowhere.
I don't know that.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
Judge,
sir.
I don't think it'd be right for him to be punished if it's a defective device. If there's something wrong
And
with
it's
the
his
device.
responsibility to immediately go to pretrial, not wait the next day until you have court so you can do all in one.
That was a Friday, Judge. It was a Friday.
It was yesterday.
No, they're referring to this
Oh,
6
the-
hours.
I'm talking about the
Okay,
6
sure.
hours that are unaccounted for. You could be out and about doing whatever you are, harming my city. And I'm trying to protect my city when you've got 4 serious violent
Sir.
felonies open.
I didn't know it did that yesterday, though. I didn't know it did. I didn't get no call or nothing about it.
What, is he playing Helen
Oh, no,
Keller?
this-
What the
this is
hell?
another time.
No, he's
Like when they
referring to
call.
different incidents, Judge.
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
it's
I
just
didn't
I
know.
am only talking about the 6 hours that are unaccounted for. Put everything else out of your mind.
Sir.
I'm only talking about the 6 hours. If I get another damn thing at 4 in the morning, I'm gonna freaking lose it. Wake up the entire nation over this damn 4 in the morning.
Got a blue warrant today that woke me up.
Nationwide test all over from FEMA.
Wake my ass up 15 times at 4 in the morning.
You can turn them off.
I know I did, but I'm already awake.
No, like turn it off from alerting you.
I know I did that, but I'm already awake. 4 in the morning, wake up my wife who's now bitching at me to turn it off, and then all the kids too.
Was that a blue warrant, Judge? I got a blue warrant notification this morning.
Bottom line, you're unaccounted for 6 hours. We have no idea where you're going. We have no idea what you're doing, and I'm not done with it.
I don't know. I didn't know about the.
So there
it was
is
off.
something going on with the device. He has to just get the device checked. I don't know.
So I want to send him right now to go get the device checked to see if there's a problem with it.
You'll be charging.
No, ma'am. I didn't. I
Can you
didn't.
not go get it serviced without the charging
No, it's
device?
just, they tell them bring the charger. So like the officer kept telling you to bring your charger.
Yeah, she was like, when I leave court, go to,
Right, so you have your charger?
yeah, I have it. I have one.
Where is it?
It's in the car.
Okay,
so
I
get
want you
your
to go
Okay.
get the charger. I want you to go take it to where, is it Smart Start? Where?
charger. No, 49.
49.
Okay, go there and I want to see if there's something wrong with the device.
Sir.
If there's nothing wrong with the device, then we'll have another hearing and I'll see you back here on Monday morning.
Sir.
But no, I'm not down with 6 hours unaccounted
No, I
for.
understand, Judge.
And then he's leaving on another day. I'm not done with that. You have strict
Sir.
bond conditions that you have to adhere to. And when you don't, there are consequences. That's it.
I ain't know the charger. I mean, the device did that though.
So something's wrong with
Yeah, because they'll call me and tell me and everything, but like I didn't get called.
And they did call you and they did tell you and you still didn't go. That's,
No, to my yesterday. They didn't call me and let me know like something's wrong with the device and then.
I thought so.
go now. Where are you living now?
Still my mom. I had ended up explaining to her like why I had left. When I first came, I told her like, Mom, I'm gonna end up staying with you for a while. And then she was like, okay. She not understanding like it's a 24-hour house arrest though. So like when I had ended up leaving, I had called her back and explained to her like, Mom, you know I can't go nowhere. That's
What's your mom's phone number?
I'm writing down.
Oh, that's right. Write your mom's phone number. I'm gonna call her right now.
832.
No, hold on.
Just write it down right here, okay?
What's your mom's name? Virginia?
Yes, sir.
Regina?
Virginia, yes, sir.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to.
She been working.
What's that?
She probably sleep. She.
Hello?
Is this Miss Regina?
Yes,
Hi, my name is David Fleischer. I'm a judge here in Harris County.
yes,
I've got Mr. Adrian Caldwell in front of me.
yes.
And I don't know what you know about this case, but he's got 5 very serious cases open. One of
Okay.
his bond conditions is that he's supposed to remain under house arrest for 24 hours a day.
Okay,
And I want to make sure that that's okay with you, that he can stay with you under 24 hours house arrest.
sure.
Is that okay?
Yes, yes.
Because he's trying to tell me here that there's a problem and that he might get kicked out or whatnot, that he's got to leave. And I want to make sure that wherever he's going, wherever he's staying, he's allowed to be there, and that the persons know full well that he's not allowed to leave the house.
Okay,
Are you okay with this?
yes,
Okay, you and I are now on the same page. There's no excuse for you to leave the house. If you leave, I will revoke your bond, and then you will stay with me. You will have house arrest with me.
Sir.
As it stands now, you're not off the hook. I want to see where those 6 hours are. We will send you to go get your device checked out to see what they can take. And then we'll see you here back on Monday. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Regina. Take care.
okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Roll on Monday, Judge?
Monday.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.